Hey, good morning, everyone. This morning we got a flight over to Kansas to go to the 2020 ACCA flying, and it's super early in the morning, and my buddy Dalton's alarm is going off. It's pretty funny. It's been going off for the past 15 minutes or so let's go wake him up. Dalton! Good morning, sunshine. Benton traffic, experimental RV 114 Alpha Zulu, flight of 2, taxiing to runway 10 for departure, Benton.
Shower?
Yes?
Where you headed?
Over to Kansas. Who's that?
Heading down to Bisbee, then I'm on a IFR flight to Prescott.
Oh, is this Bill?
Yep.
Morning.
Yep, morning.
Benton traffic, experimental RV 114 Alpha Zulu, flight of 2, departing runway 10, will be straight out departure to the east, Benton. Ooh, she's thick.
Is she heavy?
It's heavy.
You look so professional.
I'm on your right.
I didn't realize you were right there.
I told you I was on your right. Albuquerque Center, good morning. Experimental RV 114 Alpha Zulu, flight of 2, VFR request.
Experimental looking for a VFR flight following takeoff sign again.
November 114 Alpha Zulu.
Experimental 114 Alpha Zulu, spot 2603.
2603, 114 Alpha Zulu.
Experimental 4 Alpha Zulu, what's your destination?
It will be Kilo Bravo Golf Delta. Alright everyone, we just made it to Hutchinson County in Texas on our way over to Kansas this morning. We have got Jay over there. He's been in the 182 with my dad, Dalton, messing with our GoPros. And we just fueled up, full of gas. And now we are headed over to Kansas. Let's get it.
Cubs turning short final now, runway 17 and a graph.
Did I hear Super Cub? You did.
He's a flying cowboy. Oh goodness.
Oh dude, this is so exciting.
It's hot.
It's very hot.
It is very hot.
Very humid.
Muggy.
Welcome to Kansas, everyone.
We made it.
We made it. What was our total flight time? It was like 5 hours.
Roughly.
Something like that.
Uh-huh.
But we made it. We just landed. Got the plane secured.
Yep.
Now we're gonna
Heading up to where all the happenings is going on.
according to my dad. My dad back there. Wherever. But yeah, hopefully go meet some more people. Alright everyone, we've been sitting here for too long doing nothing, not a whole lot going on. It's hot, it's humid, and kind of dead, so I'm gonna go fly, try to get everybody lightened up in here. So let's go fly.
All right, show off.
You were not
Alright,
a show off.
the RV grin is a very real thing.
Yeah. So day one of the ACCA is complete.
First day down.
Yep. We
It's
are
bedtime.
bedtime as well.
Sweat time.
Yes, it is
We're out
hot.
here.
It's
We're
muggy.
out here. We're out here camping tonight. My dad and Jay went and got a hotel, but we're the real men here.
Yep, camping by the plains, next to the airstrip. So,
Yep.
we will see you for day two.
See you tomorrow.
Peace.